Okay, so this is a corn on the tip of the toe that's caused because of how the toe is angled. And you're walking right on the side here instead of on the pad where you're supposed to be putting weight. So you don't have the cushioning here, so that's why you've got the corn forming. So that's what we'll trim off. And this will feel pretty good immediately. How long has this been bothering you?
Probably since right before we went down to Florida.
Which is how many months ago?
4.
Okay, so this has been getting worse and worse for 4 years.
For 4 months.
Or 4 months. Yeah.
I don't think I could. 4 or 5 months. It was probably December.
Okay.
And it was like we already had. It's like, okay, it's gonna get. I kept thinking it's gonna get better. It's just gonna go away, but it didn't. It just got worse.
So sometimes it gets kind of hard when you're doing this to tell where the nail ends and the skin starts, but I think I pretty much got it off. Now when I press there, does that feel way better?
Yes.
Okay. And I'm just going to get this little bit right here, and then we'll be done.